to government
To the
sana.
government. Yeah.
So, yung iba din po ay hindi nagbayad. And I think this is more than 5 billion pesos when I assume the position, Mr. Chair.
My co-chair is asking, what do you mean by GMMR? Or?
Guaranteed monthly retail receipt. That is the guaranteed monthly sales that supposedly, quota, kumbaga,
Okay.
in layman's term is the monthly quota
Okay.
of all STLs, Mr. Chair.
Chairman, Colonel Garma, I just wanted to show a annual revenue from gaming products from 2016 up to 2023. Can we kindly show the graph? Yan. Okay. Okay. Chairman Garma, GM, I want you to realize that noong 2016, ang kinita po ng PCSO is 39.5 billion. Noong 2017 po, ang kinita po ng PCSO sa annual products nila is 52.9 billion. Noong 2018 po, 63.5 billion. Noong 2019, nung dumating po kayo, naging 44 billion. Nag-down po ng 19 billion. At nung nakaupo na po kayo hanggang 2020, 18.6 billion na lang ang naging kita ng PCSO. Noong 2020, bumaba tayo ng 45 billion. At noong 2021, kukumpara mo siya ng 2018, bumaba tayo ng 20 billion. At noong 2022, nung kayo po ay umalis na, bumaba pa rin po tayo ng 6 billion. So, kanina sinasabi mo, the reason why pinatigil mo ang mga gaming products because bumababa ang kita ng gobyerno. Bumaba tayo ng 90 billion sa panahon ng panunungkulan mo. From 2016 to 2018, show the graph again, hindi bumaba. Hindi bumaba ang kita ng PCSO. 2016, 2017, 2018. Pero dumating ka, bumaba ng 19 billion, 2020, bumaba ng 45 billion, 2021, 20 billion, 2022, 60 billion, 6 billion. Why is that so?
Yeah, true, Mr. Chair, sa 2019, records would show naman talaga may pandemic noong 2019, suspend yung game for a few months. So, walang gaming lahat po. So, walang kita si PCSO. And then, pagpasok po na 2020, was pandemic. And then 2021, we are recovering kasi on and off, may palaro, mayroon mag-close kasi may mag-COVID. So, hindi po stable talaga lahat. So, yan po yung naging challenge po ng 2020 and 2021. And during those time po, may mga products na rin po kami na expired na po yung contract at the board decided not to renew the games anymore. So, yun po yung nangyari, kaya po bumaba.
Ang tanong ko sa iyo,
But-
wait. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, sa loob ng termino mo, 3 taon, 70 bilyon na nawala sa atin, considering na meron ng pandemic. But during pandemic, during 2019, at bumalik na siya ng 2020, is it just proper to justify that 90 billion? Sabihin na natin 40 billion na nawala, sabihin na natin 50 billion na nawala. Pero still, yung pagbaba ng koleksyon ng PCSO under your leadership, hindi tama eh. Ang dami na wala